we didn't want to foreclose. So we foreclosed, we failed. We wanted to give a solution to the homeowner because we bought it at a discount and we wanted to share our discount with the homeowner. And we wanted to waive all of the arrears as long as they came up with some type of earnest money and they provided financials showing that they can afford the new payment that we had agreed for them to pay. And that way it made us the true blue bank. And basically we were able to start collecting mortgage payments instead of being the property owner and collecting rent. The homeowner was still the property owner and they took care of all the maintenance issues. And we just took care of making sure that the customer service. And so we would place it with the loan servicer, which most people who have a mortgage today deals with, and they would handle all the phone calls and all that stuff. And we just did the workout portion of it. And that was really exciting because that was pretty much doing business from a laptop cell phone.